This year we're doing more seminars than we have done ever, all around the country. At these seminars, you're gonna learn how to use your laser, how to set up artwork, how to print the artwork onto our Blazer Orange or any of our laser masks, and how to take that and sandblast pieces utilizing Blazer Orange, some of our laser thick, and our photoresist films. So you're gonna learn everything you wanna know about laser engraving on brittle substrates, as well as sandblasting and combining the two technologies and how that can benefit your business. At these summits, they are hands-on, so you get to put your hands in the equipment, try them out, and we have smaller class sizes so that you're gonna learn a lot. You are gonna be learning how to stage carve on glass, how to do deep carving on granite and stone, how to color fill, how easy that is. Anything you wanna learn, you're gonna learn at these seminars. So at our technology summits, we'll be at multiple locations across the US. So pick a location that's near you, come to one of our technology summits, and you can learn everything you wanna know about your laser and about sandblasting and how you can combine both technologies for your business.